Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to introduce to you this travel adapter which gonna help you to use your electronic devices in any countries where you travel to. It also has some USB ports for you to charge your phones, your tablet or other devices as well. So now let's just open the box, see what's inside. So here we go. This is the plug itself and it just comes with the manual. I will just put the box and the manual away. Here we go. This is the plug itself. Let's start with the build quality. The whole housing is made from plastic. However, it doesn't feel flimsy. It feels solid as the whole unit. About the weight, it weighs around 120 grams, so it's not too heavy for you to carry around. Let's move to the design. So this is the front where you plug your electronic devices in, and here's the LED. It lights up when you plug into the socket. On the side is where you decide which plug you want to use. Let's say if you want to use the EU plugs, you just press it down, slide all the way up until it locks in. Then you can plug straight away into the socket to use. And at the back is also some specs as well. So I'm not sure if you can see it. There we go. So that's the specs of the travel adapter. And on the side here, you're gonna see the USB port for you to charge your tablet, your phone or other devices. So overall I think it's a nice adapter. Instead of carry many plugs for many countries where you travel to, you can just carry this one with you all the time. Doesn't matter where you travel to, this should be good enough for you to use your electronic devices. This one I bought it from Amazon Australia for $25.99 Australian dollars. So I mean that's a good price, to be honest. So yeah, so that's the end of the introduction for this device. Let me know if you have any question at all. Thank you. See you next video.